ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to be sowing Echinacea for next year. I've got Echinacea White Swan, 300 seeds. I think these were 99 pence plus 49 pence for delivery, which is really good value. Echinacea Magnus. These were also 99 pence reduced, but there were 25 seeds in there. And then Echinacea Hybrid Magic Box. These are ones I'm really looking forward to growing. And there's only 30 seeds in there, so let's get the 300 seeds sown first. Let's get the camera sorted. I'm absolutely sick and tired of the news that's not coming in to do this. Breaks it mad. Just let's come out and get it over and done with. Right. Get your tray. You want to fill it until it's about a centimetre off the top. Like so. Once you've filled it, like that, give it a good tap down, nice and even. Get your seeds. Use just one tray. The other two lots I'll use just one tray and split it. Get all these sown. I've got enough pots. I got some 2-3 litre pots off eBay for a few pounds, so if all these come out, I'll be really pleased. Yep, just gently spin them about, trying to get them too close. Like so. And then I'm going to cover them with this. Here, horticultural grade vermiculite. Very good stuff, this. Just not see stuck to that. Just to fine cover it. And then they want to be watered well, and then put somewhere it's like 20 degrees, that sort of thing. Some of these can take a long time to germinate, which I've discovered with them before. Once you get it a bit covered, like that. Into the sink. Into the sink, let them soak until the top is moist. The compost I'm using is a multi-purpose compost. It's got a high peat content. It's also got a little bit of feed in it. Like I said, these can take anywhere from 3 or 4 weeks to a couple of months to germinate, so don't chuck your compost away. They can take a long time to germinate. Right, get them in the sink. So just leave them halfway up, leave them to soak until the compost is damp and moist. And that's it. Just make a name tag now, so that's Echinacea White Swan 300 seeds. Any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Like the videos, please subscribe and please give me a thumbs up. Any questions, just message me. Thank you, bye.